Love is sweet though. When money enter, love is sweeter. Guys, anybody that said that money is not good, that person should call. Let me give that person a knock because. Congratulations to Prissy. Prissy, I am so happy for you. Juma juice. Abi Juma juice, Abi Juma waiting. You sabi love, oh. You sabi love, guy. Tanzania people, una sabi do love, oh. Abi make I go find one Tanzania girl who go buy me car. I'm so happy for Prissy. Prissy was looking so pretty on her day. The mom was looking so happy. Proud mom, proud mom. I'm sure that Yabojo is very, very proud of Prissy wherever she is. You know, there's nothing past say your daughter make you proud. No be, I don't talk am. Not be all those ones where they do baby mama everywhere. I'm so proud of Prissy. Prissy looks like a very calm person, a very calculated person. I am so happy. It can't be like saying I made a gift car. I know be woman, no, now my fellow man buy the car, but it can't be like saying I made a gift car. Eh? Juma Juice, you don't try. Thank you. Thank you for making us proud. Thank you for making Prissy proud. And you're not,